Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to Finance with Avery. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I secured a $450 bonus just by opening a new First Horizon First View checking account. I'll break down the steps I follow, the timeline, and what I did to obtain this bonus exactly. I know a lot of people out there have signed up for this bonus. We're still waiting on the bonus. We're wondering about the bonus, interested in it. Some signed up for it, some didn't. I made a video on the breakdown of this bonus, step by step, eligibility and everything in details. I'll link that down in the description. However, currently this bonus is not active. When I first did that video, you had to sign up for this bonus by, what was it? Yeah, there it is. There's the video right there. You see it. When I did the video and I did the bonus myself, you had to sign up for the First View or Smart View checking account by July 31st, 2024. However, they did extend that, and I had a person comment on my video that they extended the bonus to September 15th, 2024, which was correct. So I pinned that to the top of my video. So they extended the bonus, which is great. However, currently right now, as of recording this video on October 18th, 2024, the bonus is not active. So it is expired. They may bring it back. They may not. Sometimes they'll extend the bonuses for a while, or they'll change them up. They'll expire them, bring them back, something like that. But currently it's not active. However, I do want to tell you how I obtained the $450 bonus with the timeline. I'm going to show you the screenshots, how I did the direct deposits, all of that. So let's get into it right now. So I went through my emails and found the exact date that I signed up for this account, because I knew it was in July, just wasn't sure exactly. But it looks like on July 16th, 2024, that's when I started the process of applying for a First Horizon First View checking account. So I got the email right there. As you see, your requested $450 offer code is here. Got the email for that, and then got the email welcoming me to banking online with First Horizon. So July 16th, 2024, there's another email you see there, is when I got my First View checking account with First Horizon approved and open. And when you open the First View checking account, there's a $50 minimum opening deposit required. So when I opened the account through the application process, I did transfer $50 to this First View checking account on July 16th, 2024. On the day that I started the application process and did all of that, I transferred $50 to this account. It's very seamless. You could do that while you're opening up the account. So I did it on the same day just to get it, going. Have everything just going smoothly in the first day of applying for the account. And step number one went very smooth with me, opening the account online with the promo code embedded in the application, and then transferring $50 over to this account from what? Actually, I think I transferred it from a credit card, because you could transfer from an external checking account with another bank, or for the credit card, different ways to move over $50 to this account. So yeah, I did the step one right there. As you see, open the First View or Smart View checking account. I did that. I was eligible for the offer, and I opened the First View checking account with First Horizon by July 31st, 2024. That was the date when I started this application, when you had to apply for this account by. So I did that. Step number one went very smooth. Everything great with that. And then, as you see right here, they had a little mishap, I guess. They billed me $2 for a statement fee, but then they credit that back, because you will get billed a monthly statement fee if you have it signed up where you get paper statements. And I didn't need paper statements and everything, so I made sure to check where online paperless statements. That's totally fine with me. So I guess maybe they didn't see that or something, because they billed me that $2, and then on the same day they reversed it. So you see that right there. Just something to notate. That may have happened to you, may have not have, but yeah, that happened to me. I didn't have to talk to them or anything about it. They called it themselves and gave me the $2 credit. So step two was to make a qualifying direct deposit totaling $1,000 within the first 90 days. And I go into details of what a qualifying direct deposit is in that video and everything like that. So if you want to know more about that, definitely check out that video. I want to make this video a little bit shorter and to the point of how I got the bonus, exactly what I did exactly to get the bonus, right to the point and everything. So with this one, I spread out the $1,000 direct deposits. So I split the $1,000 in half for me, basically. And my qualifying direct deposit was from one of my employers. Standard, employer, I get paid every 2 weeks from them. And I separated this direct deposit by $500 each bi-weekly paycheck. So I set it up where I'm going to have $500 from my paycheck going towards this First Horizon First View checking account. And so then the first direct deposit I did was on August 9th. And that was a $500 direct deposit from my employer. Like I stated, I just kind of split it up. I think I had another bonus I was doing at the same time as well. And then of course, paying bills and moving money over to investment accounts and retirement accounts and all that so forth. So I don't want to disrupt any of that too much and the process of how I do that, how I organize things. So I just had $500 go over into this First Horizon First View checking account, and I was going to do that twice. So the first time I did that was on August 9th, 2024. You see it right there on the screen. There's a screenshot. And with that $500 in my account, I ended up transferring that externally to another bank account. So I did that twice. I kind of broke it up in $250 amounts, it looks like. So I transferred $250 to, PayPal. I did it this way. I just transferred $250 to PayPal twice. And then I ended up transferring from PayPal to one of my bank accounts. I just kind of had it sitting in PayPal. Thought I was going to have to pay something, so I just moved it over there. But you could transfer it out to an external bank, as you'll see. I believe that I did that later. So yeah, you can do that. It's totally fine. But I transferred that $500 out just like that. And then I also transferred the $50 out. And then for the next paycheck, what I ended up doing is another $500. So on August 23rd, 2024, I had another direct deposit of $500. So at that point, I had hit the mark of totaling $1,000 in qualifying direct deposits. So that was a check on that. And then as you see, a few days later, I transferred that $500 out from my First Horizon First View checking account to another external bank account. However, I did realize, at that point I had a zero balance, and I realized, okay, no, hold on. I need to keep a positive balance in this account. I just can't keep transferring money out after I transfer it in. So what I ended up doing is having $5 moved over to this First View checking account. And I'm just going to let $5 at least sit there because you need to have a positive balance in this account to get paid this bonus. You see it right there on the screen. I'm at the section of the video that I did right here about receiving the bonus, and you'll see it in the fine print. Bonus will only be paid to open accounts with a positive balance. So I kept that $5 at least in the account, just sitting in the account basically. And I actually started using this account some with cash deposits. And I'm in an area right now where I have several First Horizon banks around me. So I've used it to deposit actual physical cash into an ATM into this First Horizon First View checking account, which is very handy, very effective, very efficient. So yeah, I was actually using this account. So I would deposit some cash, then move it over to another external bank account and so forth and so forth. And I did that a couple times right there, as you see. So I stopped doing direct deposits in this account after I hit that $1,000 mark and then added $5 into the account and everything. So I just let $5 sit on this account, positive balance, kept it open and just let it sit. And then receiving my bonus, boom, on October 16th, 2024, I received the $450 cash bonus incentive. That's how you see it right there on the screen. There's a screenshot, cash incentive promo. So let's map out the dates here on a little timeline. So with this bonus, they state that the account must be open a minimum of 90 days and that the cash bonus will be deposited into your account within 10 business days after qualifying activities are met. So 90 days from July 16th, 2024 is October 14th, 2024. Okay, so you have to have the account open a minimum of 90 days. For me, I hit that minimum of 90 days on October 14th, 2024. And by that time, I'd already done the, $1,000 qualifying direct deposit. So that's been done. And so at that point, after doing that, I did that pretty early, as you saw, like in August, I got that out of the way. So at that point, I just had to keep the account open for a minimum of 90 days. And then make sure by that time, at least by that towards the end of the time when they're going to start checking the account, that I need to have a positive balance. There was a little while where I did not have a positive balance in the account. I just had a zero balance. I never went negative in this account. Never did anything fraudulent or shady, of course, or anything like that to flag this account. But there were times I did have a zero balance, but definitely I didn't let that sit for a long time. I had a positive balance on October 14th, 2024. $5 in the account. And then you got to think, okay, 10 business days from October 14th, 2024, because that's when the account will be deposited into my account according to my time frame of when I opened the account and all that. Business days are basically Monday through Friday, no weekends, and also business days do not include holidays typically. So 10 business days from October 14th, 2024 is October 28th, 2024. So that's pretty much the last day that I could expect to receive the bonus from First Horizon according to my time frame and their time frame for the fine print. So when I open the account and everything and their time frame of having the account open a minimum of 90 days and then depositing the bonus into my account within 10 business days after qualifying activities are met. So qualifying activities also include having the account open for 90 days. It's not 10 business days from when you hit that $1,000 qualifying direct deposit amount. It's 10 business days after that minimum of 90 days if you've already completed, step 1 and step 2, basically. Which of course you completed step 1, open the account. But did you complete step 2? Because you also need to make those qualifying direct deposits of $1,000 within 90 days of opening the account. So that's in that same time frame right there. So that 10 business days after qualifying activities are met is 90 days after the account has been open. So for me, that was October 14th, 2024. So at that point, that's basically probably when they checked my account, maybe on the 15th, maybe on the 14th, to see, okay, did he have at least $1,000 of qualifying direct deposits within that 90 days? Yes, check, I did. Is this account open? Yes, check, it is. Does it have a positive balance? Yes, check, it does. Boom. And then you see there within 10 business days of October 14th, 2024, on October 16th, Wednesday, 2 business days later, that's when I got my $450 bonus deposited into my First Horizon First View checking account. So basically, definitely within 10 business days. For me, it was 2 business days to be exact, as you see. So yes, that was it, everybody. That's how I obtained the bonus, the steps that I followed, my time frame laid out right there, everything. You saw the screenshots, you heard me on the video. That's how it happened for me. It took a little while. This not sign up bonus is one of the longer sign up bonuses because there was I believe I did at least 2 or 3, a couple other sign up bonuses after this one that I already got paid the bonus from, before I got paid the bonus from this one. Because of that 90-day, minimum amount that you must keep the account open, this bonus is a longer bonus right there. So this took some months to obtain. Opened the account towards the middle of July, got the bonus towards the middle of October. So yes, thanks for sticking around with the video, everyone. I hope this breakdown helps you know more and understand about that $450 bonus from First Horizon Bank. Hopefully they'll bring it back or bring some kind of, sign up bonus back or something eventually. Right now, like I stated, this bonus is not active. It is expired, but I know several of you did apply for this bonus or, thought about it or something. So hopefully this video helped you in some way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ways to maximize your money with bank bonuses and other financial tips. Drop any questions or your own experiences down in the comments if you like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.